Hi, I'm recording a demo video explaining the flow of our web app and giving you an overview of the different OAuth scopes that we're using. From here, I'll click on sign in. I already have a user logged in. Click login here. I'll select one of the for one of the users and we move to SEO. First, let's go to the Google Analytics section. Here, I will sync with my Google account. This is my Google account. In On this page, we are requesting the scope for auth slash analytics dot read only. It allows us to view and download Google Analytics data. It allows us to access reports like users, sessions, traffic, type, device types, etc. And as read only, it's a read only and we cannot modify anything. Our app fetches analytics reports and displays insights, charts, and KPIs to users. This scope is required to retrieve their Google Analytics metrics safely without giving write access. As I'll show you, this is the campaign for local plumber, and we can see different data like session overview, bounce rate, conversions, engagement, and acquisition. So through auth slash analytics dot read only, we fetch all this data from Google for the concerned account, and I've shown you all the ways how we are using Google Analytics. Here we come to the Google Ads section. I click on sync with Google here, select my email. This is the scope auth slash AdWords. In this scope, we basically it allows us to view, edit, create, or delete Google Ads campaigns. It allows us to fetch ads performance and metrics. It allows us to manage ads accounts through the API. We require this scope because it our app integrates Google Ads to retrieve campaign insights, performance metrics, ad groups, and manage and create campaigns for the user. I'll click on done from here and continue to our platform. I select the campaign. So from here we can see total impression, total conversions, total cost, impressions and conversion, campaign costs. And these are the different campaigns for the same account. Each of the campaigns are listed here with the impressions, conversion cost, and average CPC. This data, all of this data, we fetch through the auth slash AdWords scope, and I've given you all the how our app utilizes this scope and what information we show for the users. So next auth scope I'll take you to is the YouTube, which lies here in the social media section. This is the YouTube section. I'll click here, sync with YouTube. I'll select my account. Now, these are all the YouTube scopes that we are currently using. Let me go through each one of them one by one. The first one is auth slash YouTube dot read only. It allows us to view YouTube account details, fetch channel statistics, read video lists, playlists, and performance metrics, and it is strictly read only access. Our app uses the scope to read the user's YouTube channel data, display analytics, list their videos, and show performance insights. The next OAuth scope we're using is auth slash YouTube. It allows us to manage and upload videos, manage playlists, edit channel content, moderate comments, full YouTube account management. Our app provides features like uploading videos, scheduling posts, managing playlists, or publishing YouTube content directly from the platform, which requires full YouTube access. The next YouTube scope that we're using is auth slash YouTube dot force hyphen SSL. What it allows us to securely read and write access to private YouTube data, edit or delete videos, interact with private playlists, manage comments, access sensitive data via SSL enforcement. Our app needs it because some YouTube management actions like editing, deleting videos, managing comments, handling private data require SSL enforced rights access. Our app uses the scope for advanced YouTube operations beyond simple uploads. So here on the OAuth screen, I select all of these, and you can go through each one of them. I've explained to you in detail before. I'll click on continue from here. The sync was successful. And here we can see the different data of YouTube which we fetch for our users. It includes the subscribers, total views, total videos, gained and lost subscribers, average view duration, estimated minutes watched, and views. Next, we go to the demographic section. Here we are able to identify the age group and gender data and the device data. In the video section, here we can see the different videos. Let me just click on one to give you an idea. So here, from here, we can see the views, likes, and dislikes, and yeah, basically the whole video, the details of the video. From the schedule section, we could schedule or post a new video. From here, like for example, I write here and drop a video file. I add the titles, and I can publish, and I can set it as public and private, or I can add multiple tags to it. I add the title and I can schedule this. This is for the post, and similarly we have the same settings for shorts as well. So all in all, I've covered all the scopes mentioned by you in the email. I have tried to explain to you how our platform integrates them and how it uses them. And thank you. That was that.